Good morning. You are listening Pooja Kushwaha, your news anchor of Lava Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 21st June from around the world. Babies with COVID-19 may have only mild illness, mostly with fever. According to the study published in the journal Pediatrics, fever was often found to be the primary or only symptoms in newborn babies infected with the novel coronavirus. US Embassy in Kabul battling COVID-19 infections. The US State Department says COVID-19 infections have been reported at its embassy in the Afghan capital, and the staff who are affected include diplomats, contractors, and locally employed staff. New railway line in Tibet will reach Arunachal doorstep in 2021. On Saturday, state-owned companies completed part of a key railway bridge on the Yarlung-Shangpo, which flows into India as Siang and the Brahmaputra rivers, barely 30 kilometers from the border with Arunachal Pradesh. Greta Thunberg has hope for climate despite leaders' inaction. The 17-year-old has become a global figurehead of the youth climate movement since she started her one-woman protest outside the Swedish parliament in 2018. Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg blasts government and businesses that use what she calls creative accounting to make their emissions look slower than they are and apply the word green to industries that are not. Compulsory 5 days institutional quarantine order for all COVID-19 cases in Delhi withdrawn. Earlier today, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal met Baijal during a meeting of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority and requested the LG to revoke the order. India's crude oil imports fall 22.6%, biggest decline since at least 2005. India has relaxed coronavirus-led restrictions in lower-risk areas, which is expected to improve demand and scale up crude processing. India again rejects China's claim over Galwan Valley in Ladakh. The External Affairs Ministry dismissed claims made by China's Foreign Ministry in the statement issued late on Friday night regarding both sovereignty over Galwan Valley and the genesis of the clash on Monday night that left 20 Indian soldiers dead. Ladakh versus Doklam standoff. Same military commander, different tactics. The standoff at 4 locations of eastern Ladakh, unlike the 2 standoffs at Doklam and Chumar, are likely to have been driven from the top. I, Pooja Kushwaha, come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.